vblock 2 using direct distance, polar angle and ortho setting combination. These horizontal vertical lines we use ortho setting, and these inclined lines we use polar angle. In direct distance is you keep the cursor in the horizontal direction and enter the value. So go to line command. The first point is 150, 30. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction and enter 20. Type 20. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. Type the value 5. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction. 15. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. 5. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction. Type 20. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. 10. Enter. Keep the cursor in the relative polar coordinate position. That you can select the settings here. Select polar tracking on increment angle 45. Say OK. So keep the cursor in that position, that is in terms steps of 45, and type 25. Enter. Keep the cursor in this direction and type 25. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction and type 10. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction. 20. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. 5. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction. 15. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. 5. Enter. Keep the cursor in the horizontal direction. 20. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction. 10. Enter. Keep the cursor in the inclined position. Steps of 45. Enter 25. Enter. Keep the cursor in the inclined position and type 25. Enter. Keep the cursor in the vertical direction, or you can say type C to close the object. This is the end of the exercise.